Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce cyber insurance costs with Hiscox, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce cyber insurance costs with Hiscox, start by assessing your current cybersecurity posture. Identify vulnerabilities in your systems and address any weaknesses. Implement strong password policies and ensure employees use multi-factor authentication. Conduct regular employee training on cybersecurity best practices. Create and update an incident response plan tailored to your organization's needs. Perform regular backups of critical data and ensure those backups are secure. Review your data storage practices and eliminate unnecessary data to reduce risks. Monitor and control access to sensitive information based on the principle of least privilege. Document all cybersecurity measures and improvements for future reference. Engage in continuous monitoring of your network for suspicious activity. Stay updated on industry standards and compliance requirements relevant to your business. Consider consulting with cybersecurity professionals for risk assessments and recommendations. Collect and maintain records of all cybersecurity efforts for insurance applications. When applying for cyber insurance, provide accurate and detailed information about your security. Negotiate with Hiscox to explore available discounts for implementing recommended security measures. Review your policy regularly to ensure it meets your evolving business needs and is cost-effective. By following these steps, you can effectively lower your cyber insurance costs with Hiscox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.